Okay, got it all wired up last night and hopefully it works. The Gypsy comes with the magnet already installed in it from Maxwell. We're just greasing up the shaft and everything now. We'll put it together and then we'll test the chain counter up there. Oh my god, on the shorts.
Oh, I'm gonna just get rid of them.
Let's see what happens. Let's turn it on. Okay, get some action. Unlock this, hold down this. Okay, we'll go down. Yeah. We'll go up. It works! Stoked! It just said docking distance there, so that's when you come up, it'll stop at a certain height and then you can go slowly to dock it and it'll get it up into the anchor roller. That is so cool. Oh, what we still have to do is calibrate it, so that's just guessing how much chain went out. Oh, we also got Dad to install the switch for the windlass, so if it failed up there, we can still override it down here. So Dad's gone back to Auckland now. It's been awesome having him around. He did all of the shelves and stuff inside the cabin. So each cabin got 2 new sets of shelves. Absolute game changer when we got so many crew coming on and off. How good is this setup? Okay, let's calibrate it. Here. Yeah. Okay, and we'll count the revolutions. 1, 2. Okay, we only did 5 revolutions, so 5 revolutions to there. We're 2150 actually. So 2150 divided by 5, 430 millimeters per revolution. Let's go whack that into the system. Okay, we're all set up. 430 mils is 16.9 inches. A lot of you Kiwis are gonna give me shit for using feet. I've done 16 years on super yachts now, and we always use feet on the boats that I've been on. So that's just how I think when we're talking about depths and chain lengths. Well, on super yachts you're using shackles for chain lengths, but yeah, for depths my brain's just conditioned to use feet, so I'm going to stick to it. So we have got 300 feet of chain. Now the windlass knows exactly how much chain goes out per revolution, so we should get a very accurate reading for amount of scope we have, which I think is very important. Okay, this is pretty cool. It's got an auto release. Let's bring it down a bit. 20 feet, then you hit that, and then you just bang it down. You'll just release it. You can do the same thing to retrieve it, but I personally would never use that. When you're retrieving the anchor, you're always trying to keep maximum control, trying to make sure the chain is just straight up and down. You never want to use the windlass to pull the boat forward. You never know if you're going to snag a rock and it's on auto, it'll just keep going. It'll probably trip something eventually, but yeah, for the sake of having your finger on that button, I would manually retrieve, but I will automatically deploy that first. You could do 50 feet. Pretty seldom you're putting out less than 50. You know what, I may take that back about the auto deploy, because with this system you can just free fall it. Would that still activate the sensor though, to see how much chain's out? Let's see. The reason for free fall is you would use 0 amount of power. How good's that? It did. So all I would have to do is turn the anchor control on and it counts. So good. Holy crap. So that is a Maxwell windlass with a Cromox stainless steel chain and an ultra stainless steel anchor. That is the best setup on any sailboat I've ever seen. Tell me I'm wrong. By the way, none of this is a paid promotion. I've never ever done a paid promotion. But they do give us the product to install and review. So if you ever hear me talking about better help, it's because I genuinely need some help, not because they gave me thousands of dollars.